Let's talk about the Ardell 3D Faux Mink Lashes. I've reordered these a bunch of times because I've just absolutely loved them. They're a little bit more dramatic if you want that cat eye effect or something with a little bit more drama. So I wear these for date nights, parties, times that I'm going out. I've absolutely loved them for that. I get compliments all the time when I wear them. The band itself is an Invisiband, so it goes on really seamlessly next to your natural eyelash line, and they go on super easy. I haven't had an issue with them peeling off or coming up in the corner. These stay on insanely well. They're not too heavy, they're really lightweight. I forget they're on.